forget where you're coming from. King Shango set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama telling you this. Hey, drop. Wanna better have some respect and manners. See the Asian them and give them honors.
Respect and manners.
Yes,
nothing wrong with that.
They always say, too little simple thing can carry you through the world. Respect and manners, that's all I'm asking from you. Respect and manners, then love will come to you. Respect and manners, that's all I'm asking from you. Respect and manners, and I know Jah will see you through.
Manners and prayers, my people. Welcome back to the channel, Don. 2023. Yeah, we. So that's something I go. Production here, don't. You know that, Mr. Too. Yeah, I never drop it. You will say manners and prayers. Yes, I will say manners and prayers. That's something in production. See that's something there? We call it white lime. Take it and wash down in the pig pen them. Yeah. That's something that's good for the pig pen. So you have a thing named worm solution. You have people see that? That's for the animal and the pig them. So you have a thing named ticks killer. Kill out every little insect around the pen. And all them something there done. See it there? Worm out. White lime for washing of the pen. Keep out all fungus from the pen and all these things. Just get them something you rather go. Get yourself a push broom there. You know we have to clean the pen and the whole thing. Push broom with its stick. Yeah, that's something there. Real man. 2023 after we move at them, you know. Show them how I go on a bush mouth here. Jump full of water, though. Yes. About 6 more jump to put right there, so. See them, my peeps. That's another one pregnant. Right now, this one pregnant. Yes, production start, yeah. See there? Drink water and thing. First one, that's another one, the pregnant, my peeps. You know what we have to do with thing. The pit there. The thing run like that. Keep the thing clean and smooth. So the next one there, one the pregnant thing, my peeps. Two of them pregnant, man. So one there, go on do the thing. Yeah, production here this year. Start good. Like we should. So you know what I want on the stuff. Them two big ones, the pregnant. See them there now. See the rest of them there. I'm gonna take a chill pill. Them good. See them there? Go on like I am that then. See them, my peeps. Yeah man, production here this year. Production, straight production. See that? See them belly full. I'm gonna take a chill pill right now. That's the thing go. Whole leverage. Yeah, my peeps, sit there. Whole heap of pig pen. And I have to put on some more because I expect to go on, need a whole heap more pen. So we are making know what I go on, and that's how we think go. Round the way I swing go. Good like that. Yeah, I'm there. Beautiful. When you take a chill pill. So then we're loving. Let me tell you. Yes, see me there again. Try there. I'm not pregnant with people. So if take a portion of thing from the little one there. And the next one over the side there. So 2 of them pregnant and 5 are come. 7 of them in there. Right, that's where we start from. Think we're normal. So them things set up. Right under the ackee tree. Balance back with a pear tree, you know. Something there. And we go around look more. Balance up back with a breadfruit tree, done. You know all these things have a season. Yes, it works. water is a must. We get some water going. Yeah. Yeah, man, I'm nice, man. Outerroad.com. Something there. Yeah, man, these are some showing water going, because these are everything covered in. The boss lady. Yeah. So that's it. That's the look of the thing from a little distance at the street, you know. Yeah. Do a little additional, not a little while, because we need the space. Yeah. So I have 2 drum right there, so put about 5 more down there, maybe 6 more down there. Crazy water. We need it. Right up Mama Street this, you know. Yeah, man, Mama Street this. These things, Mama Street there. Step on the street and reach right at the thing. Yeah, man, Mama oversee the thing. Mama see that everything alright, you know. You want to see Mama around the place. Me if I tell you, apple tree there right there. Another breadfruit tree. Pear tree there right behind it. Yeah, when crop coming in place on a normal thing. Even people like that, you know. The real production are going. The butcher there. Yes, I must take care of the thing. Good like that. I will for blessings, man. We good like that, my people. So we give thanks to life. Yeah, we live this another year. And we know the life spare. We just hold the next year. I swear. Right there. That's a pipe there. Yes, the pipe there going to the wall and we just show it down there a while ago. Lead out the waste from out of the pen to the pit. See it there? Just come in. Yeah. Yeah, we say anything can happen on Mama foot and reach on Mama foot down. So we're going on Mama foot now. And remember there's something here? Sunday, Monday. The baddest thing in the world. And if I tell you, yeah, Mama say eat food, boy. And all these things. Yeah, Mama cooking at the greatest long time. They will never stop it. Yeah. You never get it yesterday, you get it today. Sometimes it's nice all today too. There's something there. Mother Sunday, Monday, something there. I tell you about it. You're not supposed to know me and talk about it, you know. It work. I'm not checking me a jerk. School bus, you know? No, that was a truck stop paying that was that way. So we're doing the young family. All bus there, you know? Yeah. Stop there now. Back in the day. Good children. Yeah, my people, see there? Back in the day, still there around the place, see there? I left my mama, is see there now? And my mama. Alright man, you go to the tata. Work. Brownstone with the right now. Yes, it work. Chicken in my jerk. Let me tell you that stuff, yeah. Yeah, my people. My mama me come from, you know. I have to hit the bus there a while ago, because you know the thing when you come on to the drive. You know, make nothing left for the other place and come your side. You have to hold on to something there. You see the whole bus just come out a while ago. The baddest thing in a Brownstown. If I tell you, from your pickney, that day they run. Up to the day, it goes the same way. That, me say, it work.
This one has got to be now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.